This company will fly you up and then nosedive, creating a zero-gravity environment inside the plane.
The $250,000 experience starts now.
Oh, my water!
Oh my God! What is going on upside down?
Oh, my God! Oh, I can't stop floating!
Go on!
Oh, that was awesome!
Oh, my gosh, this is sick!
On this next drop, we're gonna race to the other side. Turn on zero gravity.
I can't do it.